Did you also wake up late at times when you have to go office or reach somewhere like I did today? So let me tell you how do you get ready in 5 minutes. Hi everyone, this is Ruhi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Now, how to get ready in 5 minutes because I have to be somewhere. You guys also would be waking up late someday and would reach office or reach college and you're too late. I'm going to show you how you can look awake, how you can look glam, or how you can look beautiful in just 5 minutes without much of effort and quickly, and you can reach on time. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to start by applying my Innisfree moisturizer. I have reviewed this moisturizer in my channel before. If you haven't seen it, please go check it out. I'm going to put the link in the description box below. This moisturizer is my holy grail and this is a must. Just to tell you guys that you have to apply moisturizer every day. Even if you're getting late, do not skip your moisturizer because that is a must for your skin. Now I'm going to apply a little bit of concealer on my under eyes and on the spots that I have a little bit on my face right now. Under eye especially, so that I do not look sleepy. And I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer for my face. Now I'm going to blend it all with my beauty blender. This is by Plume Co. I love this microfiber beauty blender because it does not absorb any kind of product like the other blenders, and you don't need much of a product when you're using this. I'm going to blend it all nicely. I'm going to fill my eyebrows now. I'm using Sugar Arc Arrival Brow Definer in the shade Cherry Brown. This is one of my go-to eyebrow pencils, and this is quite subtle. It's a light brown, so it helps me create natural eyebrows for everyday purpose. So it comes with a spoolie on the other end. I'm going to brush off the product that I have applied so it looks seamless. Now for powdering my face, I'm using Compact Powder by MAC Cosmetics. This is one of my favorite. You could use any loose powder, whatever you have with you. Anything would do. I don't want to lose the glow that I have on my face, the natural glow that I get here. So I'm going to powder only my eyes and forehead, the T-zone part, actually the parts where I sweat a lot, and the parts which gets oily because I have a combination kind of skin and my T-zone gets oily very soon. Now I'm going to apply lipstick. I'm using Teak Mystique by Sugar Cosmetics in its Smudge Me Not collection. This lip color is one of my go-to. So when I'm going out and I don't know what to wear, what color of lipstick to wear, I wear this. It goes with everything that I wear. Now I'm going to take a little bit of lipstick and just to add a little bit of pinky or coral glow on my cheeks, I'm going to blend this. So just make sure that if you're applying a liquid lipstick on your cheeks, then do not powder your cheeks, because if you powder it, then that lipstick would not blend, would not get into your skin, and it will create patches because of the powder underneath your skin. For my eyes, I'm only going to use mascara. It depends on your preference. If you want to prefer a kajal instead of a mascara, or you want to apply a liner instead of a mascara, but I prefer using mascara because that gives me the desired look that I want. Oh, and I forgot to tell you that I'm using L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. So applying mascara on my lower lash line is always a little bit tricky for me. Now if you feel that you have got some time left for you, then apply a little bit of highlighter on your face to give that subtle glow. I am using Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter here. It's my go-to highlighter. I love this, and I apply it almost every day whenever I have time. I'm applying it in the inner corner of my eyes a little bit to make my eyes look awake, because your eyes brighten up instantly once you apply a little bit of highlighter. A little here on the brow bone, a little bit on the nose bridge, and I'll dab the highlighter with my fingers. So I've taken a very little amount. You don't want to make it a lot, that shiny like or disco ball or something. So just natural. I'm gonna finish my look with my earrings on, and we are good to go. So you see, I'm all ready in like 3-4 minutes hardly, with very minimal products which all of you would be having with you. So that was my short video on how to get ready in 5 minutes if you are in a rush, or this is a makeup that you could wear every day for your office, for your college, or for somewhere where you don't want to look glam and you want to have a subtle look. So yeah, you can try this look. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it as much as I did while filming it. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button under this video, and also subscribe to my channel for more such content. See you soon in my next video. Bye bye.